Hi guys, welcome to Bobcat Buddies Storytime. My name is Adrian and today my friends and I are here to talk to you guys about the importance of spreading kindness and helping one another rather than bullying one another. Bullying is something that happens when one person is mean to another person on purpose over and over again. Bullying has become very common in schools now, so my friends and I thought it would be a good idea to talk to you about how we can change that by helping one another and spreading kindness through good deeds rather than bullying one another. And we decided to get some help from our dog friends.
Clifford's good deeds. Hello, I'm Emily Elizabeth. This is my dog, Clifford. A boy named Tim lives across the street. One day, Tim said, "I try to do a good deed every day. If I had Clifford, I could help a lot of people." I said, "Let's do some good deeds together." A man was raking leaves. Tim gave him a hand. Then he helped him put the leaves in his truck. I didn't know that dry leaves make Clifford sneeze. The man said he didn't need any more help. We went down the street. We saw a lady painting her fence. We helped her paint. When we finished, she thanked us. Clifford felt so happy that he wagged his tail. That was a mistake. White paint splattered all over her house. We said we would paint the rest of her house too. The lady said, "Never mind." Then we saw an old lady trying to get her kitten down from a tree. Tim said, "Clifford, get the kitty." Clifford bent the limb down so the lady could reach her kitten. But his paw slipped. Clifford moves pretty fast for a big dog. The lady was glad to get her kitten back. It didn't take us long to find our next good deed to do. Somebody had let the air out of the tires of a car. The man asked if we could help him. Tim took a rubber tube out of the car and stuck it into the tire valve. Then he told Clifford to blow air through the tube. Clifford blew, but he blew a little too hard. The man felt better when we took his car to a garage. We saw a small paper boy. He was so small that he couldn't throw the newspapers to the doorstep. Clifford gave him a hand, a paw. Clifford was a little too strong. Nothing seemed to go right for us. All our good deeds were turning out wrong. Then we saw a terrible thing. A man was hurt and lying in the street. Nobody was helping him. Tim said, "You should never move an injured person." Clifford didn't hear him. He picked the man up. We started off to find a doctor. Oh dear. We helped the man get their cable back down from the manhole. Tim said, "Clifford, maybe you shouldn't help me anymore." Clifford felt very sad. He had tried so hard to do the right things. We headed for home. Suddenly, we heard somebody shouting, "Help! Fire!" The house on the corner was on fire. Tim ran to the alarm box to call the fire department. Clifford ran to the burning house. There were 2 little kids upstairs. With Clifford's help, we got them out safely. Luckily, there was a swimming pool in the yard. Clifford put out the fire just as the firemen were arriving. The firemen finished the job and thanked us for our help. That afternoon, the mayor gave us each a medal for our good deeds. Of course, Clifford got the biggest medal of all. So in this book, you see how they went out of their way to help people, and that you should try and help people instead of shooting them down or bullying them, because it's better to do good deeds than bad deeds.
Hello. Alright, I am going to perform an original song written by me, and it's about dogs and how we can be more like them in the sense of spreading happiness and doing good deeds for those around us. Here it goes. There's a lot of great things about being a dog, sharing your toys and not being a hog, giving your owner lots of kisses, rolling in the grass and try to catch a lot of fishes. Why is it that we love them so much? Probably because they love our touch. They don't care if you're strong or weak. They just want to play and run on their little feet. They don't really care if you're big or thin. And they don't judge on the color of your skin. All the little dogs don't judge you in advance. We can all be more like them and give everyone a chance. Yes. Yeah. They love us unconditionally, and that's what's right. That's what being a dog is like. Thank you.
Okay, so now we're gonna watch a video that kind of shows you guys like how we can help each other and like be kind and do good deeds for people.
Good job, Bolt Sawyer. Good boys.
Take it outside. Oh, take it outside. Take it outside. Good girl.
Good girl. Tuck that one in right there. Come on. Let's tuck this in. Good girl. Move on down. There you go. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, you're filling back in. No, don't fill it back in this way. Come on. This way. Get out of there. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boys. There you go. Good boy. Good boy.
Hey, bring it here. Close it. Go. Close it.
Pull. Oh, it opened.
Okay, so now that we watched the video, we're going to talk about it a little bit. So in the video, you see that the owners can't, like the dog owners, cannot do everything by themselves, and sometimes they need a little bit of help. And the dogs step in and help them out, and you can see how happy it makes the owners and how good it makes them feel knowing that someone is there to help them and not bully them. And before you're mean to someone, like at any time before you're mean to someone, you need to think about how it would feel if someone was mean to you and how you would feel if someone helped you the way that the dogs in this video helped their owners.
Hey guys, so now we're going to play a little game that kind of goes along with the different things we've been talking about. So for this, you're going to need some note cards or a piece of paper, or you can just go along with the ones that I have here, which I'm going to read to you. So you can either pause now and make your own, or you can just go along with the ones that I share, and at the end I'm going to give you my answer. So these are just different examples and scenarios of things happening, and you can discuss with your partner or with your class what you would do in this situation to show kindness or do a good deed. So the first one I have here is you're walking with a group and one person stops to tie their shoe, but the rest of the people keep walking. Your friend is sad because their pet is very sick. Your parent is doing the dishes after dinner. A friend or a classmate drops their pencil pouch and their things fall all over the floor. You're at the playground and you see a little girl playing by herself. All right, so now I'm going to give you my thoughts, what I would do in these situations. For the first one, you are walking with a group and a person stops to tie their shoe and everyone else keeps walking. What I would do and what I would want someone to do for me is stop and wait for them so they're not alone and they don't have to run to catch up with the rest of the group, because that's not very fun. Your friend is sad because their pet is very sick. The best thing I can think to do in this situation is just to be there for your friend, tell them it's okay, ask them how they're doing, and just be kind to them and show them love. Your parent is doing the dishes after dinner. So, in this situation, it's nice if you could tell your parent that you'll do it for them, or you can help them, or you can put the dishes away as they clean them. So putting the clean ones away where they're supposed to go. A friend or classmate drops their pencil pouch and all their things fall out. We've all been there. It's super embarrassing and awkward. So what I would do is I would help this person grab their things and put them back in their pencil pouch. You're at the playground and you see a little girl playing by herself. In this situation, I would ask this little girl if she wanted to come play with me and my friends, or just play with me, because sometimes you don't want to be playing by yourself. Maybe she does want to be playing by herself and that's why she is, but maybe she doesn't want to be, and that could make her day. All right, so those are my 5 examples. So you can either make up some more that you can discuss with your friends or your class, or you can just go along with these that I have made.
Hi everyone, so today we're going to be making positive pause, and the basic idea for this is that we're going to make a pause and then have a nice message that we can give to our friends or our families. And in order to make this, you're going to need just a piece of paper and some markers or some colored pencils, whatever you have around you. And you're going to start off by making a paw. So you can draw a little paw. Like this. And then after you have your paw, you can just color it in whatever color that you like. Say if you like blue, you can color it in blue. And once you've colored in your color, you can just write a special message for one of your friends or your family members, saying something like, "You're so nice," or "You're so helpful." Anything to help brighten their day and just to help show kindness to another friend or family member. So for mine, I'm gonna write, "You are so nice." So you can write it in the middle of the paw just to give to your friends, and it's just a good way to show kindness and help spread happiness and kindness to your friends and family. And here's the finished product if you wanted to see it. Here's another one. So yeah.
Guys, that's it for our video. We hope you enjoyed and learned a little something about being nice to people and doing good deeds. if you think back to a time when someone was nice to you and did something for you, you can remember how nice that felt, and that helps you to have a better day. So hopefully this helps you to do those things more often, just like Clifford and his friends did, to help all those people, and how much that helped their day to be better.